What's happening, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. I'm homeless, and I don't even say that like, I guess I laugh because it's like crazy, and obviously I'm blessed and I'm grateful and everything's gonna be okay, but I'm literally homeless right now because a car went through my house, crashed into my house. You know, if you guys haven't seen my social media, check it out. Just check out Rake and Profit Instagram, Rake and Profit Facebook. Check out my community tab on YouTube. You'll see, it was crazy. It literally sounded like a bomb blew up in my house. Ran downstairs, and all of a sudden there's a car inside my house. And the first thing that went through my mind is like, damn, like my cat's dead. Like I'm thinking to myself, like, because my little boy Harry, he's always hanging out right in that area. And then he popped out. He must have jumped when the car went through the house, but everyone's okay. The driver's okay. My girlfriend and I were okay. The kitties are okay. But yeah, I'm kind of shook up because I can't even stay in the house now. They won't even let me stay in the house. So now I'm just waiting on insurance and trying to figure everything out. But I guess I wanted to make this video, and I guess I'll call this like a little bit of, you know, maybe episode 2 of Raking Morning Talks, right? I'm actually, I got my backpack on, going for a walk in front of Dunkin' Donuts right now. This is my tripod right here, right, that I'm leaning up against. But I want to talk a little bit about mindset with uncertainty. I want to talk a little bit about mindset when maybe you're not getting the results you want. I want to talk about mindset maybe when you're starting a new business and it's like, you're like, what the heck's the point? Or, you know, I can relate this to so many things. Mindset around, like right now, I'm 200, I was 230, I'm at 226 right now. I've really been eating clean the last week. I'm so proud of that. But it's like, what's the mindset around like when you're not where you want to be? When you're like, let's go with this example, because this is something I'm actually going through right now that would really relate to probably a lot of you guys. I started a new business. Have you guys heard of Amazon Influencer? I know there's been quite a bit of hype around it. Reminds me of like the Kindle publishing days. But I learned about Amazon Influencer program about 4 months ago, and I couldn't get approved. I couldn't figure it out. And I kind of just like procrastinated, but I finally got approved about a month ago, and now I'm up to about 75 videos. And I've pumped out like a ton over the last couple of days. But right now, I'm like making $1 or $2 per day with Amazon Influencer. And actually I had a record day yesterday, $8.87 in profit, which is cool. And if you're not sure what Amazon Influencer program is, in a nutshell, you make videos of products. You don't even have to buy it on Amazon. If you have a product, like maybe you have a flashlight or something, if there's an active ASIN on Amazon, you just make a video, 30 to 60 seconds, and then you upload it to the influencer program, and then it pops up on the sales page. And if somebody watches your video and buys the product, you get tagged as an affiliate and you earn a commission. It's so freaking cool. It's so freaking cool. You do need to have, they say, like a couple thousand followers. I actually got my mom approved as well. I think she's up to about $5. She just got approved about a week ago. So she's already selling products, and we're on the phone every day and like talk. It's fun. But like, anyways, I share this with you because it's like, it's discouraging when you're only making $1 or $2 a day or a sale a day. Like, you know, I'm making a lot of money in my different businesses, and I don't share that to, you know, like show off or anything, but I'm making really good money. I've been in business for almost 10 years now. You know, I'm doing over 70K a month just in Amazon FBA. You know, I'm doing multiple 6 figures per year with courses and affiliate marketing and coaching and consulting. I've got 3 different softwares coming out, and it's like, you know, I'm building this new business on the side. And you might be thinking, Steve, what the heck are you doing Amazon Influencer for? Like, for me, like, I don't expect a lot of, I'm sure you guys will relate, but a lot of like friends and family, they don't understand. Like, when you're an entrepreneur and you're hungry for success, like, it's not even about the money. It's about building. It's about creating a new income stream. It's about, I don't know, the freedom it gives you and like the fun of like creating something new and whatnot. So, you know, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a purebred entrepreneur, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But you might be making a bunch of money or working a job, and you're like, what the heck am I doing Amazon FBA for, or influencer, and I'm making $1 or $2 a day or a couple sales, or I'm not really making that much money. What's the point, right? And the truth is, you have to understand, everybody starts from the bottom. Everybody starts from no results. Everybody starts from only making a couple sales. Everybody starts from a point where you don't really know what you're doing. And with Amazon Influencer, like, you know, I'd rate myself like a 3 out of 10, right? because I'm new. Like, you can't be a 10 out of 10 when you're brand new and you're only, I've only done $58 in sales in total so far in the last 30 days. You can't be an expert, but that's normal, right? That's normal. When you start something new, expect to make mistakes, expect to lose some money, expect to do things 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 times slower than maybe your friend or your colleague is maybe doing it, or someone who's been in business for a while. This is to be expected, okay? The whole allure to online business and thinking you're gonna make money and it's gonna shoot through the roof and you're gonna make all these thousands of dollars so easy, like, it ain't gonna happen. Like, I'm sure there's exceptions to the rule, but for the average person, it's a grind. And, with the Amazon influencer program, and again, this is just a side hustle. Like, I don't look at Amazon influencer as a business, right? It's a side hustle. It's 100% a side hustle. It's a fun little side project. Like, don't think I'm doing Amazon influencer and everyone's thinking like, oh, here's the next course. Here's his next business. He's done with FBA. That's not the case. I really don't look at Amazon influencer like a business. It's a side hustle, right? That thing could die at any time. And just like I saw with Kindle publishing, Amazon gets everybody in, then they change all the rules and they cut they increase the fees, and they literally try to squeeze you as much as they possibly can, and then they get everything that they want from you, right? All the testimonials to boost conversions, then they cut all the affiliate commissions. Like, I know that's probably going to happen, and who knows what's going to happen, right? Whatever ended up happening with the Merch by Amazon program, are people still making money with that? I'm curious. But the main point I want to get across is, I don't care what you're doing right now. It could be FBA, it could be selling books, you could be merchant fulfilling, it could be Amazon influencer, it could be like me right now. Like, I'm telling myself right now, Steve, yeah, you used to be 170 pounds, super fit, healthy, like you were crushing it. You gained 50, 60 pounds. You were at 230, but you know what, Steve? Congratulations. You're at 226 now. You're moving in the right direction. You're getting out and you're tracking your calories and you're walking and you're doing everything you possibly can to be the best version of yourself today. And it's going to take time, Steve. You're probably going to mess up a little bit. There's going to be some challenges. But Steve, don't focus on being perfect and, losing all this weight in freaking 20 minutes. Like, be in it for 6 to 12 months. Be in it for a lifetime, Slow and steady progress. That's the recipe to success. And when I say success, I don't even mean just like making a ton of money. For me, I feel the happiest, and I'm curious about all you guys. And sorry, I'm going all over the place. This is the Raking morning talk. But for me, when I'm the most happy, it's when I'm making progress. It doesn't even mean I'm making the most money. It doesn't even mean like I'm the most successful, and however you want to define success. When I'm doing what I say that I like, we all have this kind of like this calling, right? Our heart and our soul, like it or your brain, whatever you want to call it. It's telling you to do something, to go in a direction, to be disciplined in a certain area. For me, when I follow my heart and soul, when I do what I know I need to do, right? And it's not like, oh, make $2 million, Steve. No, that's not what I mean. But it's like, when I tell myself I'm going to wake up and I'm going to exercise for an hour and I'm going to eat clean and, I'm going to spend time every day building out systems and working with my team and having patience and, learning and reading and applying and taking my shots in different businesses, taking my shots with FBA, taking my shots with influencer, taking my shots with my YouTube channel and my coaching business, and taking a shot with a promotion, right? Like, going for what you want to do and giving it your all. And even if you slip up and fall, but you're making progress, for me, that's happiness. I am the most happy when I'm making progress. And sometimes when you're making progress and you're being disciplined, you don't actually see the actualization of results, but they will come. And that's what I always remind myself. And again, with where I am with my health right now, just eat clean, follow the process and make progress. You're going to get there, right? And this is just me having a morning talk with myself. Steve, post those videos on Amazon Influencer, learn, right? Learn about the Inspire program, which I need to learn about. I don't really know too much about it. Learn about how to create better videos, right? Improve your courses and coaching, right? Train your team, right? Spend the time to train Bill and learn about a prep center and different things. Like, when you're making progress, because we all have a laundry list of things we want to do. When you're making progress towards the things that your heart and soul is telling you to do, for me, that's happiness. And that's my mindset around a lot of things. Do I mess up all the time? Absolutely. Sometimes do I quit things and say things and I don't do it? Absolutely. I'm human. But the more I can follow what I know I need to do, that's happiness. So just want to say I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with this Raking morning talk. I'm going to get back to enjoying my coffee. And let me know if you guys want me to keep you posted with my health and fitness, Amazon influencer. Obviously, you guys know I'm keeping you posted with my eBay to Amazon business and FBA, and, you know, Reselling Freedom's doing great. We're so close to hitting 400 members, which is exciting. We had 120 people join my new eBay to Amazon electronics course. Unbelievable. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to keep doing these morning videos. Just want to say, appreciate you guys. Have a beautiful day. Get after it.